Hello everyone. Welcome to Dr. UV Speaks. I am Dr. Yuvraj, Head and Professor and Head Biomedical Engineering Department. Our motto is Learn, Innovate, Inspire. Today I am going to discuss about biomedical engineering and opportunities. Some of you have completed plus 2 and curiously searching what courses you have to choose, and your parents also will be very curiously inquire about the courses and all the details and future your career and all those things. Today I'll explain what is biomedical engineering in very simple way, can understand everyone easily. In this video, we are going to discuss about biomedical engineering, what you will study in biomedical engineering course, career opportunities, and in India as well as abroad, and whether government jobs are possible, can join government jobs, and then gate examination and benefits get biomedical engineering, and opportunities in government agencies, government like defense, army, air force having biomedical wing, and we are going to discuss the opportunities. Then we are going to discuss something about future scope. Okay, welcome. Let us begin the journey of biomedical engineering. And many people ask, sir, biomedical engineers are doctors or engineers? The answer is we are biomedical engineer who apply engineering principles, concept, and engineering technological aspects to healthcare problem, to solve the healthcare problem. So biomedical engineering is combined engineering and healthcare. Also biomedical engineering having biomedical sciences, biology, electronics, computer science, artificial intelligence, and so on. In short, we could say biomedical engineering, the concept of engineering applied for healthcare benefit or human-centric purpose. For example, if you are studying biotechnology, bio means we know life, and where we are using technology in plant, animal, pharmaceutical biotechnology, microbiology, like entire biosphere is biotechnology. But there is a difference between biotechnology and biomedical is only human-based approach, human-centric approach we are studying in biomedical engineering. You just imagine you are enter into the hospital, doctors are diagnose the disease, and the nurses and other technicians are working, and you could see machines, many machines in hospitals. For example, if you are going to multi-speciality hospital, they are not running the hospital without biomedical engineering, biomedical engineers. You can see, in general, you can see ECG machine, MRI machine, CT scan, ultrasound, and emergency ward ventilator, and also in cardiology, defibrillator, patient monitoring system, and dialysis machine, then infusion pump, pulse oximeter, all those things, and including laboratory, clinical laboratory, you can see in the hospital. So biomedical engineering around us. Today biomedical engineering is everywhere. When your smartwatch measures your heart rate, and when doctors perform robotic surgery, the machine is designed, developed by biomedical engineers, and the doctors are using the technology, updated technology. And also artificial organs, wearable health sensors, and artificial intelligence are detecting diseases and preventing. We used to say prevention is better than cure, preventing the disease and giving a prediction to avoid the complication in the health problems. And we are using digital health, including hospital management. We are using digital health records are very useful, and also Internet of Thinking, development of Internet of Thinking, Internet of Things. We have a lot of applications in IoT, in biomedical applications. And what you are going to study in biomedical engineering, completely biology plus physics plus science plus mathematics and medical science, medical healthcare related subjects. Medical physics, chemistry, basic electronics, digital electronics, human anatomy and physiology, biomedical instrumentation, and biomechanics, biomaterials, artificial intelligence, machine learning, signal processing, medical device design, and hospital engineering, clinical engineering, medical ethics, medical records, quality control, quality standard, research methodology, including patent, and at the end of 4 years, you will become expert. So, for example, mechanical engineering concept, if you are using that comes under biomechanics. If you are using physics concept in healthcare, it comes under medical physics. If you are using material science and material analysis, analytical engineering, then it will comes biomaterials, and including the wheelchair, including ambulance, including the hospital accessories, consumables, blood bags, and injection, the material used for making surgical instruments, all are medical grade. So you have lot of medical applications, medical subjects in 4 years, and you will become. The proud thing is we are connecting medical healthcare and engineering concept and technology. In hospitals, we need clinical engineer, we need biomedical engineer, and equipment management is very important, because the disease should diagnose accurately. Then also calibration of machine is very important, that will be done by biomedical engineers. And maintaining the equipments are very important to get proper result during diagnosis. It will be helpful to the doctors. And hospital planning and hospital entire the infrastructure, as well as the ward designs, everything will be done by biomedical engineers, design engineers. And also technological assessment, safety, fire safety, electric safety, all those things will be comes under these biomedical courses that you will be studying. And also medical device industry, you can work in medical device industry as a production engineer, service engineer, and product specialist. You can work biomedical companies, patient monitors, ventilators, MRI, CT, ECG machines, so many laboratory equipment and advanced equipments technology used in biomedical engineering. And also you can be a sales engineer, you can be a product specialist engineer, you can be a customer support trainers, and you can train the doctors, nurses, and healthcare technicians. And nowadays the development of artificial intelligence, we all are interested to study artificial intelligence courses, because the future will be based on artificial intelligence. There are a lot of scope in biomedical engineering for artificial AI application of artificial intelligence in biomedical. Today AI transforming healthcare technology in enormous way. Medical image analysis, disease prediction, smart hospitals, and clinical decision support, wearable devices, and point of care devices. It means the device will be function in their point of patient. For example, glucometer, we are checking blood glucose at home. Blood pressure monitors we are using at home, BP monitoring. And also many strips, including the pregnancy card, and including the COVID testing strips, and all those things we can do our end. We can check every day our parameters, including ECG also. We can get a portable ECG machine, and also it connected with internet, and we can use AI to predict. So digital health is very important and advanced field in biomedical engineering, and this field is continuously growing. In future, the lot of biomedical engineering jobs and opportunities, including research, are available for you. The next, I would like to speak about GATE examination in biomedical engineering and benefits. You know, GATE is a graduate aptitude test for engineers, and you can go for higher studies like reputed institutions and institution of national interest. and the central universities, IITs, NITs, and you can receive scholarship for during studies. And you can do joint research programs, and you can go abroad, and you can one semester in India and one semester in abroad with the scholarship. You can go with the gate score, and the company also considering gate score for getting job, providing job. And government is having a dedicated lab. Defense Research and Development Organization is having dedicated lab, DRDO. Under DRDO there is a DEBEL, Defense Bioengineering and Electromedical Laboratory. It's situated at Bangalore. So they are working for pilot oxygen system, life support system for the fighter pilots as well as domestic pilots, protective equipments for pilots, biomedical devices including for common people, and also the hill climbers, army people, high altitude survival equipments, and medical technology for defense personnel, including the image and video processing. We are using latest technology with the laser, light, biophotonics applications, development of nanotechnology. Our sensors have been miniaturized and affordable cost. That is very important. In India, we need affordable cost. We need a lot of private sector and new innovation, new startups. Government is giving a good support, and as well as financially, as well as mentoring, technical mentors also provided in various aspects and various under MOU, Minister of Education, ACT is providing, and Institution of Innovation Cell under MOE, Minister of Education providing, and Atal Yukti portal. They are encouraging young innovators and also startup support. And also biomedical engineering jobs are available in Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, and military hospitals. And biomedical engineers are contributing in hospital engineering, technological support, research collaboration, equipment maintenance, and advancement of equipment. That is very important. Enhance the quality of the equipment, and improve the therapeutic and the diagnostic potential of the equipment. All are possible in biomedical engineers. And you can join research institute like CSIR, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, and excellent opportunity they are providing. There are 30 plus institutions, laboratories, research laboratories are available, are situated in India, and majority institutions are having biomedical or something related to healthcare research they are doing. And ICMR is supporting, Indian Council for Medical Research is supporting for the students, DRDO providing fund supports, and IITs, NITs, IIC are doing, and central research institutes are supporting, and the medical device, artificial intelligence based supports are providing. And you can work including drug delivery and smart polymers, flexible electronics, nano, NIMS, micro electromechanical system, and nano electromechanical system. Because of development of silicon industry as well as electronic industry, the technology also included, application of technology, engineering concept included in healthcare technology in biomedical engineering. And also last, I would like to share, you can go for abroad if you like. There are a lot of opportunity. You can go for higher studies including USA, Canada, UK, Germany, Australia, Singapore, Middle East, and even Gulf countries are need a lot of biomedical engineers. And you can go for job as well as you can go for higher studies. And if you are studying well, if you are secure more than 8 CGPA and curricular, co-curricular activities, IEEE activities, and with that, if you have gate score, means you will be getting a good chance with the scholarship. In some institute, the scholarship money will be more than the salary, initial salary what you are going to get in industry or company. Okay, so and also other important things are entrepreneurship. Biomedical engineers can start, develop medical devices, medical and advanced medical instruments, and affordable healthcare. Government provide all the supports. You can work, you can become a entrepreneur, you can become a manage owner of the industry, owner of the country. And and my personal advice as a professor, don't study only for the examination. Okay, learn, develop, and improve your fundamental basic knowledge how to apply the technology in healthcare and human well-being. And also communication skill is very important, and programming skill, coding skill is very important. And always you should have research mindset, ask questions, and also interact with the people, join the like professional societies like IEEE, ISTE, and other professional IEI, and get connection with international experts, scientists. And you can do internship during your studies, and improve your soft skill as well as problem solving ability. Healthcare need a lot of innovators and interested people, and human need a lot of biomedical engineers in India as well as worldwide. And also focus sustainable development goal SDG. 17 SDGs uh, are given by the United Nations. I think you might know. If no means, please refer what is 17 SDGs. We can solve a lot of problems with the, if we are finding the problem and the solution for the problem. And I conclude with some points. Biomedical engineering is not merely another engineering branch. It's a profession where engineering meets humanity. Every innovation can improve patient care. Every medical device can change someone's life. And if enjoy the technology, if love innovation, and you can become a good biomedical engineer, and also you can save a lot of people from disease and illness. Okay, I hope this video helped you to understand biomedical engineering, and please listen full video. If you have any queries, please contact, comment. I will speak more about biomedical engineering and opportunity. If you need a specific topic, I am ready to speak about a lot of informations about biomedical engineering and opportunity, scopes, institutions, fees, all those things, and scholarships, facilities, all those things I am ready to speak with you. And also I am ready to help you for get preparation and research, innovation opportunities, patent, how to file the patent, how to draft the patent documents and forms. Then I can help you for career guidance, and even any engineer field can become a biomedical engineering if you are working, if you are finding, innovate something for human care, take care of human life. Until see you next time, bye bye. Innovate, learn, innovate, inspire. Thank you.